Welcome to the stunning Emfuleni Country Club, a historic gem nestled near the Vaal River south of Johannesburg. This parkland course, lovingly restored to its former glory, offers tree-lined fairways, modern bent grass greens, and some of the most picturesque par 3s you will find, complete with water features to test your nerves. Today, it's a battle of skill, strategy, and some good old-fashioned banter as Mr. Variety and Vian take on Reinhardt and Richard in an intense 9-hole 2v2 scramble on the front line. Expect clutch shots, windy challenges, and plenty of laughs as the teams navigate standout holes like a par 5-6 with a narrow green and a scenic par 3-7 over water. Stick around to see who comes on top in this epic showdown at a course that boasts not only great golf, but a fantastic restaurant, padel courts, bowls, and even a high-tech indoor simulator in their pro shop. Let's tee it up. It's going to be me, Vian, Team Benjamin versus R&R. Ramen Reizen next to us.
Yes, Ramen Reizen or Ramen Raspberry. Your choice.
It's going to be a scramble format, best ball each shot, but there's going to be a twist as well. If you're on the green, on the putting surface, and both players makes the putt for birdie, it counts as -2. If one player makes a par and one player makes a birdie, it's going to be -1.
Par or worse, you choose one score, the best one, and par or better, both scores, then you double or add it up.
I think it make it interesting. You can get a good comeback if you're behind. So
Yeah,
I think it make it
behind,
interesting. No one has played this course. First time playing blind, so it'll be interesting.
Oh, nee man! Ah, great! Pure man! That's perfect! Partner! Ah! Yes, Karels!
En wonderlik as jy iemand vir 'n lang draai kom. Ja. Nee, dat is nie te plan raak nie.
Kom maar, twee safeties en twee ouens op 'n bietjie left right.
Maybe check. Let's check. Hopefully you guys enjoy the drone shot over there. Gonna put some tracers in. But yeah, good start and let's go. Let's make a birdie on the first hole.
Hello boys!
Lekker!
Me and Reinhardt against Vian and Mornay today out at Emfuleni Country Club on the first hole.
Richard's in the fairway.
And at least a scramble, so
Yeah, as we said, it's blind for all of us. We don't know the course at all, so
very tough. It's very tight as well. Lot of big trees. So gonna have to keep it in play today.
okay, so it's triple one. Nelson into the green. Wind in our faces, so
But it's a little bit off the right side, I don't know.
yeah.
I think it's more of the right than it is in our faces. So I think a good gap wedge. What's your gap wedge?
Yeah, gap wedge.
Where's the wind? Happy to fly.
Yeah.
Yo!
We only need one on the green to give us 2 birdie opportunity looks. That's all we're aiming for.
Yeah, that shot there with a lot of spin. You can just pitch it at the flag. Hopefully it stays, eh? Try and get
gap
it.
wedge, 110 gap wedge.
Sit down. Hey, we've got one on the green.
110 meters to the flag and one of the 4 guys hit the greens.
Yeah, as we said, it's into the wind. I took my line just right to the flag. Hopefully,
Greens don't look really big, eh?
yeah.
Yeah, they look pretty small.
Okay, let's see if we can chip on in here.
Yes, man. Chip moving a little left to right, maybe. A little bit uphill, looks into the grain as well. It's very dark. You can see there's a lot of grain on these greens.
Nice.
good actually.
Yes. Good bogey. Yes, off the bat. Oh, check.
Ons box al twee first up.
Yes.
Maak seker van.
-2. -2 from the start would be exceptional. A little bit left to right.
Hy bly nog reg uit, hè?
Great bogey.
Goeie pad.
Maar in derde.
Oh boy.
As hy is.
Oh my.
As hy is.
Okay, look op besluit. I never see.
Ons sal daai invat omdat dit nie myne gemerk het nie.
I never see.
Ja.
Okay, nice. Okay, we're here for par.
Ja, nice.
Hey.
Okay, so 2 pars start for us. Yeah, not convincing pars, but yeah, a bit shaky. But on to the next.
That's it. That's it. En die boom.
Hardkip sien. Of sit dadelik in die. En hy's fyn. Oh, daar gaan hy. Trek sy kick.
Ja, right.
Ek dink hy's
Sit hit the carrot of the tree.
Up into the other tree.
Carrot of the tree.
Maar net so daar ding dan gerol en toe hop hy ewe skielik uit die boom uit.
Ja.
That's what you call perfect. I don't know.
Wat? Course knowledge?
Course knowledge.
Kom maar.
Ja, maar hy's op die green line. Ek weet nie of hy carry on line nie. Sneed op.
Ons moet soek.
Heb je die boom gezien?
Hy's op lyn met die green.
Got very lucky. Mine was dead behind the tree. Rains hit the fence and came back to the left, so we've literally got like a
Almost killed the bird.
so we've got like a 50-yard pitch, and Vian hit the absolute perler down there. So they are
Yeah, well, basically about 10
they're
meters
literally
off the green.
10 meters from the flag.
Yeah.
And the flag is front. So
Yeah. So let's see if we can make a birdie here, because they're definitely going to make a birdie.
yeah, scramble. We hope they don't make 2.
Yeah, that's going to be difficult. So we just need to get it on the green here. And
Doesn't look like the easiest chip they have. It's a little bit fluffy where they're lying, and it's green short of the green.
Yeah.
So it's very
not a lot of green to work with. So looking about 30-35 meters, just a short pitch. With the wind, I think I would have flown the green. Luckily it hit the fence. So yeah, as we said, Vian hit an absolute beauty. So they're just about 10-50 meters short of the green, but not a lot of green to work with. So I think in our favor it's the easiest shot that we have, but they have the opportunity for 2 birds. I don't see that they don't make a birdie here. So yeah, let's see if we can get it close and just roll one in, maybe 2.
Taking Skimish's ball. Went a bit right, I think he hit the fence, but they're still in play. Flag is in the front, so it's a tough flag today. Yeah, let's see. They've got Richard in their team, so
It's the magic hands.
that's the magic hands. You guys know Richard is a Sunshine Tour professional, so to get the win over him today,
Yeah, we're bragging rights all the way.
that'll be our first
Yeah.
Sunshine Tour.
We'll wait for our invitation to the next event then.
Get it! Oh no!
There was a little bit green up there.
Yeah, just one of us needs to hit a good shot when we go to -2.
Yeah.
And they
With him tapping it's -2 because automatic 2 birdies.
There's the one. Yes,
Oh, grab!
that was very unlucky.
Ja, voorbij van, hè? Dat is op die green krijgen. Ja.
Vian, don't leave it short, bro.
Spin. Yes. Maak me so.
Got 2 birdie opportunities at least. Vian did the right thing. Just wanted to get on the green. I attacked. I pitched it exactly what I wanted to pitch it.
Just didn't get it roll.
Yeah, just didn't roll out.
Driver in hand.
Fine.
Yeah,
that's good.
Good.
We're in for par. So again, we're in this position where we can get 2 -2 on this hole. This one needs to fall. Let's just get 1 birdie. Get the lead.
Sit down. That's good, though.
We're in for par. But we still have the birdie opportunity to be up. No.
Leg is here.
Okay.
Par!
Yeah, 2 pars again.
That ball. That ball.
Yeah.
My honest opinion, I don't think it's going to start to get easier. The wind is starting to blow even more, so we will see. I think it's going to be tough today.
Big shout out to Golf Explore. They've got this awesome app that they're sharing of us and the rest of the world as well.
Beautiful, you can download it on Android and iOS.
They've got golf days and events on this app.
It shows you all the specials in the different regions.
Membership, green fees, all of the information that you actually want to see on a golf app.
What I like about the app is you can actually track the courses you've played.
The specials and the golf days that it says there, it makes it easy to see which course you can play.
Sometimes you wake up on a Monday, you want to do a booking for the weekend, you don't know where to play. Nice thing is you go to Gauteng courses and you search a new one.
They have the specials for all the provinces.
So far it's easy and it's convenient, so I'll give it a 5.
Go check them out on Instagram, link down below.
Check it out.
Okay, dat is het.
471.
Stroke 1, 471. So
Par 4.
it's a proper par 4 here for us. It's tight as well. That's why it's a stroke 1, I assume. Yeah, long one. Let's make a first birdie on a stroke 1. Nice.
Good drive.
Keep guarding legs.
Gaan die trap op doen?
Shot van dead strike, die.
Dead strike,
Ons die rooi vlak voor die boven.
Okay.
So, eerste trap.
Draai tussen nêrens.
Eerste trap.
Okay.
Hoe sê dit is stroke 1?
Jy sê die wind waai van regs agteraf, as slaan jy hom in die wind.
Dis my vyf.
Kom weer terug.
Op 'n drooi.
Spring op om die wind oor en dan te trek. Daar sien ek. Hy's fine, hy links gekeer al onder.
Came a bit right off the face. But Vian is still a good. I think he might be a bit shorter than them, but yeah. I mean, this is the first time we're behind them.
Yeah. We like to eat second so we can put the pressure on.
Oh, tight green for stroke 1. Okay, we're trying to cheat a little bit.
Ja.
Rein's got a video of the flyover of the course. So we're just trying to check how the greens are looking and where the flags are and where we can miss them. Because
I think that's the most important part.
It's going to be a big
Where the
advantage
flags are.
today.
Yeah.
We don't care about fair play today. It's like a street fight, you want to win.
It's still not summer course conditions. Fairways are still rock hard. So sometimes you'll get a bad bounce, sometimes you'll get a good bounce. Around the greens it's soft, so the greens are very receptive.
Yeah.
So we can just fly it close to the hole. Hopefully it stays there, but If it's fairway, you can fly 300, 400 meters, roll. Otherwise, you can just, as Richard's drive now, bounce in the fairway, straight left.
Straight left.
So it's the luck of the draw. So you can see
The wind is also picking up now nicely.
yeah, it's going to be
Blowing
difficult.
about 15 to 20 kilometers. So 188.
188.
Back flag. Reinhardt bombed the drive. This thing is at least 300 meters. They say they're building a new pro shop at Emfuleni between Reinhardt and Vian's balls in the fairway. Because he's about 60 meters behind him.
Wie? Het jullie gehoord?
We've got 188 flag, stroke one. It's a beast of a hole. Flags all the way at the back, so I think Ryan's gonna try and hit a hardish 5, and I'm just gonna, I don't know, hit like a 185 6 iron. Try and keep it a little bit right. There looks like there's a space right behind the flag over the bunker, so. Came out a touch too thin.
We've got about 165,
170 flag.
170 flag in for us, okay?
Got a bit of a tree troubles here, so have to lift this one early.
Yeah.
Get it up there.
Vian is going with his 7 iron, I'm using my 8.
Climb.
A little bit lucky there. Vian shanked it into the fence down the road. Mornay, oh, what a beauty.
Win.
What a beauty. Fly.
Oh, great recovery.
On the green, held his line at least. I thought it was going to fade a little bit. But I think
we're going to bring it.
yeah, the wind just held it up a little bit. Okay.
BMT after a shank, I gave him a good visual.
So me and Vian both, 2 boo-boos, 1 shank and the other one I don't know why I did, but I think maybe it's just couldn't commit fully on that shot, so I pulled out on it. So Moras is, Mr. V is definitely on the green, quite wise there.
Pretty good shot. Mine's just over the green on the fringe.
Shot, Moras, that's great shot.
Okay.
Net te ver.
Dat was het. Moest gaan van, hè?
Ja. Hoe is de ordingen?
Dat is right to left.
Kom right to left.
Jy raak nie so gestoot nee. Ek het
Nee, hy is
nie
er
op gesien.
Hy is right to left. Ek sou sê ons wou hom inside begin en toe begin hy op die edge. Dis hoekom hy inside geval het en nie meer onder. Hij is alles over die pace, hè. Dus hoekom het een goede pad was, want die pace was reg.
No gimmies today.
Ja, no.
Okay, well, still all square. Still all square in the stroke play. We're all still level par. The next hole, I think it's a par 3.
Par 3. Beautiful hole.
Yeah. I mean, is the pro stepping up today? I don't know. Hopefully he steps up in the next video.
Beautiful hole.
Yeah, what a good par 3.
160 from the back tees here. Beautiful water feature on the right here. Shouldn't be in play, but like the way me and Scoomies are striking at the moment.
Looks like there's a few nice.
It's in play.
Looks like there's a few nice slopes on the green as well. You can work with something there.
I just love a par 3 where you look down on it. It's not very downhill, but you can see the hole, all the contours. You can see how the ball's gonna shape.
Nice.
Oh, beauty. Not Scoomies, but it's not.
Yeah. Quick club change.
Well, come on.
Yucks. Fine with putting.
Yeah, it's fine.
kort geslagen. Ja, perfect.
Maar weer 166 wedge van hem.
Hit the flag! Hit the flag! Turn it to win it! Turn it to win it!
At this stage, this course is actually in a beautiful condition still for the winter conditions. Big shout out to Ray from Golf Explore for organizing this whole day, and Serena as well from the Pro Shop. Thank you so much guys for having us, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Like and subscribe.
Ja, wat doen we?
Dat is veel lijn, hè.
Hij doet dat wel. Starig.
Give.
Sharp.
Sharp.
Okay, taking the pars on these holes. So still
Another par.
yeah, another par, 4 in a
Balls in
row.
a row.
Who's gonna make the first birdie? Comment down below. Who's gonna make the first birdie between us? Hopefully we can make at least a birdie on this hole and go to -1. Vian and I playing good golf, I would say. It is a beautiful course. It's a bit dry, still winter, but I like the layout a lot. As you can see the previous hole, that little par 3 with the water going down on the right. It's just beautiful, great conditions, and yeah, well done to the staff, everyone that works here. To aim it a bit more left. This wind is picking up a lot. Don't know if you can hear it in the sound, but yeah, we need to play accordingly to this wind. So with my fade, that's just going to take the ball away.
Team Benjamin is in a little bit of a pickle, yeah. Both of their tee shots went right. Close to the hole, I think.
Reinhardt's also in right. I don't know where it is.
Oh, there I come from. Okay, so we found my ball.
Okay, let's just go check mine. See if it actually is alright.
Oh no.
Why do I always hit the trees?
Yeah. Now we will take Richard's ball. We'll need to play a low punch shot just to get underneath the tree. Yeah? It looks like they have a open shot. So it looks like they have the advantage. Yeah? They went far right, opened up.
It's not in the fairway, but it is 112 meters.
Past them. So we've been hitting second all day long. Getting used to it now.
We've got 57.
Yeah, tough shot. We're gonna fix it on a downslope, like 4 meters of green to work with.
Cut. Kick right. Now. Oh, perfect. You called it, Rich.
Thank you. I'll take that. Oh, Pache! What a golf shot!
Spin. Called it.
Dudes.
Thanks, boys.
Black.
Oh!
Just to say quickly, Mornay and Vian's got a very difficult shot there. I mean, it's 3 meters of green over that bunker. It's moving straight away from them, so Moras!
Great shot there from Mr. V. They had it down your lie, need to fly the bunker. So I think that's the easiest way to go, left of the flag. They're on the green, they're putting as well, so any putt can fall. Maybe we can get the first birdie.
We've got 4 looks at birdie. Who's gonna make?
Dat heb ik hier uit je lijf gekomen.
Op het einde net een keer.
Early celebration.
Maar starig, hè?
Ja.
Nee, voel het, nee. Strijd van de klap.
Bit of a misread there.
Nee, dat is goed. Een meter. Kijk. Come on!
Nice! What a putt!
Solo bird!
Well done! Great putt there, great putt!
Finally, we get the first birdie. Yeah. First one
looking like a
leading.
pro.
Great partner!
There you go. There
He's
you
been
go.
playing some great
Well,
golf, so yeah, we needed that. We won up.
Said hopefully we can get the first birdie. And unfortunately, it's not our team now, so we are 1 down now. So let's see if we can pull one back. It's par 5 now. See if we can hit one on the green for 2 and then putt for eagle.
Yeah, confidence high.
Par 5, 508. Let's see, I've got another birdie opportunity, maybe eagle. It's going to be short in, so if we hit a good drive, we should be able to get up and down.
Okay.
To me, we are dead. I think Reinhardt's gonna punch something there under the trees into the fairway to the 120 meters, and then I'm gonna try and hit a 6-iron over the trees with the fade. Okay, I came out to left. Yes, I was gestrike.
Bij die vlag.
Is it?
Hij staat achter met die green.
Sure, okay, so 2 good shots. I think Vian is on the green, I think mine just rolled out a little bit. Reaction cam from the drone.
Yeah, what? And yeah, 2 shots, guys. That was impressive. Even if I have to tell it myself.
Yeah, 2 low cuts. Oh,
Yes.
beautiful.
We're looking at 146 into the green, very close to the trees in front of us, so we need to keep the ball low again. Let's see if Richard can work his magic here. Het kort.
Nou ja, maar hij flight. 25 meters, just fly it on the green, try and let it spin.
Check.
Van Vian's pies op opgezet.
Ja.
Ek weet jou lyne begin trust.
On dit shot.
Ja, dis meer vir kom ons maak hierdie 2 birdies.
Ja, nee, maar dit is wel.
Great save. Great save, ja, gaan we dit doen. Yeah, one down, to go. Okay.
3-shot lead.
3-shot lead. So this par 5 helped us a lot. Yeah, getting on into a Vian's brilliant shot was a bonus for us because we both got the eagle opportunity.
Right, 3 holes left, there's another par 5 left.
Yeah,
Lots of gold.
That's why this format is fun because you can still make it up about scores.
Yes, dis mooi.
Lekker trek, hè?
Baie nice.
Baie lekker bal, ja. What a beautiful hole.
Ek het hom nog nie gespeel nie.
Staan ek goed veel hossels daar. Nora's baie gaan speel hoor. Hy's regs in die water.
Hy is net die wind te
Sit
dood.
down. Ja, dit's fyn. Oh. Dis eerste green tot mis.
Serieus?
Dis eerste green tot mis. Oh baby. Yes. Take the wind takes it away.
Dit het hom mooi meer seer gemaak as dit.
Voel jy pitch of het weer gegaan?
Ek dink baie sop.
Ander regs in die vlag.
Dis is die distance. Tough. Die wind is tough.
Okay, so this is crucial for us. This is basically to seal the deal for us. I mean, then we just need to make pars from now on. But yeah, let's get this close. Make a par, and then there's 2 holes left, so they're gonna have to step up.
Right speed.
Oh yes. Oh! Okay, nice. We're in for par. We're in for par after that great chip from Vian, and they've got these spots to make par as well. So one of them needs to make a par.
So we are struggling to get a birdie, but it's difficult to win this up. Luckily we got the pass, so we're not over pass, we're still even. So I think for the last 2 holes we need to graft and see if we can just get a birdie or 2.
Yeah, we've got a commanding lead at the moment, but
This is our to lose.
the format of this game is on the 18th par 5. I mean, they can hit it this far for eagle and make 2 eagles, so it's not over.
Yes, exactly.
So we're applying the mindset of keep pushing.
Yeah, so if we can just make another birdie somewhere, then we can maybe secure that victory for us. Benjamin undefeated.
Come on.
Nice.
Hey.
Mooi die bal.
Net een verder.
die ander kant. Moeilijk. Moes die boom gaan. Een drop.
I don't know.
Maar dat gaan drop. Oh, hij zal drop.
Ik maak jou lekker bang.
It's off wind. I'm going to use a gap which is 110 meters, but I'm going to choke down a little bit. So I'm going to try and bring it in a bit flatter.
Penetrate.
Yeah, penetrating ball flight and let it just trickle down to the pin. Let's see, wind from right to left.
Wind breezy, swing easy. We should win.
I still think it was the right option to club it up and hit it a bit softer.
It's just not great execution, but it's a tough shot. I mean, it's very breezy. You can see that.
The only thing that we needed to do was this: get it on the green.
Put on
Putt
pressure.
for birdie.
Both of them missed the green, so
They're putting a lot of pressure on themselves for that par 5. Just imagine 2 eagles on the par 5.
oh,
I won't be mad to lose on 2 eagles. So I'm rooting for them. Team R&R. Rum and raisin.
We'll be 5 ahead, and they make 2 eagles.
Ah,
we
yes.
still win. Yeah.
Okay, sure. That's fine. Tough day in the office for him. Leaving himself with a long par putt, so this might be the first bogey of the day.
Come on! What a bit.
-4.
Hierdie.
Je moet gaan vol. In the middle of that plane,
1 over to -4. Unfortunate bogey there for them. It is. It's not an easy hole, but I think me and Vian, we played it well, played it safe. Just trying to hit middle green. Yeah. On to the last hole, par 5, and they can still make 2 eagles, go to -4. And then me and Vian still need to make at least a par, otherwise we're still back in the game.
Not hitting great shots into the wind, so. Let's see, 1 hole left, par 5. Hopefully. Who's marked 2 eagles?
Ja, 2 eagles would be
2
nice.
eagles and they can make a drop.
They are still in contention for the ultimate record of -5. Well, we need to hold it out. But we can still tie the record, -5. That'll be, I mean, -5 is a really good score.
Playing course for the first time, that's not bad.
And that's original score, that's not with the extra birdies. So at this stage we're -4, and they're +1. But yeah, let's finish off strong.
Ja,
Maar kijk jullie die flyer, want het is ja, het werkt niet.
kijk waar niet om te slaan.
Daar is die start.
Ja. Hierdie.
Mag nog onderhouden niet blijven. En dan weer. Dat
Okay, speak to me.
Tikkie 3 treble. It's about 190. Gonna hit a low punch. It's gonna pitch 100 meters, roll 100 meters.
Go see boom. I just know. Ready.
Is that idea?
Ja.
Kijk onze birdie kom op vandaag.
See if we can at least make one birdie.
180 meters, we're in the center of the fairway, great drive here from Vian. Wind is a bit with us, from left to right. So we'll see, this is, if we get it on the green, it's victory secured for us. Bad strike. But right, I think I'm in the bunker, but I think Vian might be a bit short.
Yeah, we're not sure. We'll see now.
Got this secured anyways.
Wie dat klap. Wie dat klap. Nothing.
Maar je gaat mooi uittrokken, baie greens, dis fine.
Oh! Daai is baie goed. Wat 'n paar. Daai was baie goed.
Ek het hom maar min of meer Reinhardt was.
Ja.
Plus one on the scram.
Ons vat hem op bekend vandag.
Oh, goed keer merk.
Ja, goed werk, Kala, goed werk.
Hier kom die Banter nou.
Ja, so dat is een klein gat.
Ja, kijk.
Oh,
Banter is reg vir die volgende keer.
Ja, ja, kijk.
En as julle twee reg vir daai graduation.
Al dan. Al dan.
Dis 'n karretjie
Hold on boys.
agter hulle aanry.
Like it on the chin.
Choppy.
Al dan. Ja.
Very good stuff. I think that's
think-
us with 6 shots.
I think Vian and I just had a good day. So we ended up -5, they're +1. Yeah. Well,
What's your big beat?
yeah, we played well. It was tough, but we had a good, I don't know, we're a good team, we have to say.
Yeah, I think when I hit a bad shot, it's a good shot. Vice versa, I think we dovetailed well. Yeah, -5 is
It's proper, yeah.
it's good. First time playing this conditions, winds pumping 30-40 km/h, so no, happy with that.
Happy.
I think we'll win most teams.
Yeah.
Any challenges out there, please give us a shout. Happy
Yeah.
to do it.